Hello beautiful people, Losing Drea here, and today I have a special for you. This is going to be a little different from my other videos. Basically what it is my son Chico. Yes, Chico is a bird. He has feathers. He's my feather child. And just like my fur children, where I have kitties and dogs, Chico does speak and say a lot of different things, but he will particularly bark like a dog, meow like a cat, or he's like the babysitter, and he'll tell these guys to get off the couch or come inside and all these different things. But this video, particularly on the day that I recorded it, he's just having a conversation with me, and it's just like for him a normal everyday conversation, and it's kind of funny. I took the liberty of transcribing what he's basically saying for you guys, so you can follow along with it. I'm pretty sure a lot of it is clear enough that you can hear for yourself what it is. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to my channel for more future videos. What you doing? What you doing? Can you say hello? What do you say? Say hello, everyone on Facebook. Facebook. Yeah. You know? What do you know? You like Facebook? Yeah? What do you say about Facebook? You want to get on there? Yeah. Do you like Candy Crush? Yeah? Say, I love you. You do what? What? Get off there. Get off the couch. Yeah? Okay. I love you. I love you. I love you. Aw, thank you. I love you. You love me? Yeah, I'm going to put you on Facebook. Baby Bird? Where's Baby Bird? You're a big boy. Where's Baby Bird? Baby Bird. I love you. You've been a good boy this morning. You've been a good boy this morning. Chico. Oh, what's that? Say what? Really? Oh, what do you think? Huh? Say, what you doing? Say hello. What you doing? You're paranoid. I'm not paranoid. You're paranoid. Who are you? Okay, say goodbye, Facebook. Say goodbye. Tell him, get out. You gonna tell him to get out? No, you're gonna be nice. You're gonna be on Facebook. I'm gonna put this on Facebook. I'm gonna let everybody see it, so say hello. Or tell him you love him. You just want to talk today, don't you? There. Is that better? Is that better? Oh, yeah? I'm no burnout. Why are you calling me a burnout? What do you say, Chico? What do you say? Burnout. Paranoid. Really? Well, not much of a conversation. You can say Happy Tuesday. Have a good day. See you later. Goodbye. Get out. You gonna tell him to get out? Get out of your cage. You want to play? What? He keeps saying that. I'm going to put you on Facebook. What do you think about Facebook? What's Facebook? Huh? What do you think about it? Facebook sucks? Facebook sucks. You funny. You funny. You being funny. Facebook sucks. Yeah. Yep. 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 You gonna take a nap so mommy can do a video? Huh? You gonna take a nap so mommy can do her video? Because you're gonna be talking through it, I know it. Or screaming. You scream like a girl. Yep, you scream like a girl. I love you. I love you. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you too. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you too. Give me a kiss. I love you too. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I know you love me. Give me a kiss. I love you too. Give me a kiss. Okay. You're just going to love me, but you don't want no kisses? No kiss? I love you too. Hello. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Aw, thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you, Chico. Yep, I'm gonna put it on. I'm putting it on Facebook. Say goodbye. Say goodbye.